Spark plugs ignite the engine's air-fuel mixture, and when they wear out, they can cause poor performance, rough starts, and reduced fuel efficiency. Recognizing bad spark plugs early helps keep your car running smoothly. Engine misfires are a common sign of bad spark plugs. When a spark plug fails to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly, one or more cylinders do not fire as they should. This can cause the engine to hesitate, jerk or run roughly, especially during acceleration. Misfires not only reduce engine performance, but can also lead to increased fuel consumption and potential long-term damage if not addressed promptly. If your car engine won't start, the problem could be a bad ignition, a dead battery, or worn spark plugs. If the battery is fine and there's no corrosion on the terminals, the next step is to check the spark plugs. Since alternators and ignition systems are harder to diagnose at home, it's best to take your car to a service center for a tune-up, where they can inspect the spark plugs and let you know if they need replacing. Black exhaust smoke can be a sign of worn or faulty spark plugs. When spark plugs fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly, it can cause incomplete combustion, leading to excess fuel being burned in the engine. This results in thick, black smoke coming from the exhaust and higher carbon emissions. If you notice this symptom, it's important to have your vehicle checked, as the problem may involve multiple components. Rough idling is a key sign of worn or faulty spark plugs. When spark plugs fail to provide a consistent spark, the engine may run unevenly while idling, causing noticeable vibrations or shaking. This uneven combustion indicates that one or more cylinders are misfiring, which can lead to decreased engine efficiency and a rough driving experience. A failing spark plug can cause the check engine light to turn on, often signaling that the engine is misfiring. If the check engine light comes on, it's important to have the spark plugs and ignition system inspected promptly to prevent further engine damage and maintain smooth operation. Visible damage or carbon buildup on spark plugs is a clear sign that they need to be replaced. By removing and inspecting the plugs, you may notice worn or eroded electrodes, heavy black carbon deposits, or signs of burning. These problems indicate that the spark plugs are not firing properly, which can lead to misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and reduced engine performance. Replacing damaged or fouled spark plugs helps restore smooth engine operation and prevents further mechanical problems. By paying attention to these signs and regularly inspecting your spark plugs, you can ensure your engine runs efficiently, maintain optimal fuel economy, and prevent costly repairs.